Okay friends, good morning. They again this question in 2019 SBI clerical mains. Friends, check here. The mention is what? 6 persons are working in a company. Their designations are Chief Executive Officer, Chief Managing Director, General Manager, Chief Financial Officer and Finance Officer. Yes. They have different years of experience. They got different annual salaries. Yes. Now friends, check here. Here they are giving first two priorities for CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Next one is what? Chief Managing Director. Next, Managing Director. General Manager. Next one, Chief Financial Officer. Next one is what? Financial Officer. Yes. So friends, see here, with these type of designation questions are very important. They given this year 2020 SBI clerical prelims also they given this one. Next friends, check here. Now take here, they got different annual salaries. Yes. Now friends, check here. CEO having the highest priority. Next FO having the least priority. Yes, leave it. Only 2% designations are lower than the designation of the person whose annual salary is 7 lakhs. Only 2%. Here highest designation is CEO and lowest designation is what? Financial officer. Now only 2% designation is lower than the designation of the person whose annual salary is 7 lakhs. Then this GM is what? 7 lakhs. Only 2% designation is lower than the designation of the person, the one who is earning 7 lakhs. Yes. So 7 lakhs. So lower than 7 lakhs. Here we are having only 2% designations. Yes. Leave it. There are as many posts above the post of the person whose annual salary is 14 lakhs as below the post of the person who is having 7 years experience. Again here we are having experience. See here. The given is what? There are as many posts above the post of the person whose annual salary is 14 lakhs. Whose annual above the 14 lakhs. Whose annual salary is above the 14 lakhs as same as the below the post of the person who is having the 7 years experience. Yes, see here. The number of the person, there are as many posts above the post of the person who is earning 14 lakhs is same as the person who is as lower than the person who is having the 7 years experience. Yes, leave it. The annual salary of CEO is 6 lakhs. Now, check here. This one is what? The annual salary of CEO is 6 lakhs. There are 3 posts between the post of the person whose experience are 4 years and 5 years. Yes. Between 4 years and 5 years, here we are having the 3 persons posts. Yes. There are 3 posts between 4 post of the person who is having the 4 years and 5 years. Between 4 years and 5 years experience, here we are having the 3 posts. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? Person whose annual salary is 14 lakhs have just higher post than the post of the person who have 6 years experience. 14 lakhs. See here. Person whose annual salary is 14 lakhs have just a higher post than the post of the person who is having 14 lakhs. See here, the given one is what? Person whose annual salary is 14 lakhs have just a higher post than the person of the post who is having the 6 years and just lower than the post of the person who have the 8 years experience. The difference is what? 8 years. That means 14 lakhs is just above the 6 years and just below the 8 years. Yes. Now suppose friends, take here this possibility. Next, leave it. Go for next point. 2 posts are there between the post of the person who is having the 3 years and 8 years. Between 3 years and 8 years, here we are having the 2 posts. Person whose annual salary is 5 lakhs have higher post than the person whose annual salary is 9 lakhs. 5 lakhs having the higher post than person having the 9 lakhs and lower post than the person whose annual salary is 4 lakhs. Yes, see here. The again point is what? Person whose annual salary is 5 lakhs have higher post than the person whose annual salary is 9 lakhs and lower post than the person who is having the annual salary is 4 lakhs. Then this one is what? 4 lakhs. See here. The again point is what? 5 lakhs person having the higher post than 9 lakhs but lower post than 4 lakhs. Yes, leave. Person whose salary is 9 lakhs does not have 4 years. Whose salary is 9 lakhs does not have the 4 years experience. Yes. This is the given entire data. And yes. Now friends, check here. Now take only this one. 14 lakhs is just higher post than 6 years, just lower post than 8 years. Suppose friend, this is the one possibility. Suppose if I will take this one is what 14 lakhs. Suppose if I will take this one is what 14 lakhs, then this one is compulsory 8 years experience. Now this one is 8 years experience means then this one is compulsory 6 years experience. Friend, just I am taking possibility. Check here. 14 lakhs is just higher post than 6 years, just lower post than 8 years. 14 lakhs is just higher post than 6 years, just lower post than 8 years. Yes. But friends, here we know the number of posts higher than 14 lakhs is same as lower than 7 years. Higher than 14 lakhs, here we are having only one post. That means lower than 7 years, we are having only one post. That means CFO having 7 years experience. Yes. Now, friends, check here this one. Between 4 years and 5 years, between here we are having a 3 post. So 4 years and 5 years we are having 3 post means suppose this one is 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3. This one is what? 4 or 5. That means this one is what? 4 years or 5 years. 1, 2, 3. This one is what? 5 years or 4 years. Yes. Between 4 years and 5 years, between here we are having the 1, 2, 3 posts. Yes. Now, take this point. 14 lakhs is 4 lakhs is more than 5 lakhs and 5 lakhs post is more than 9 lakhs. Okay. The one who is earning 5 lakhs having the higher post than 9 lakhs and having the lower post than 4 lakhs. That means 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Then this one is what? 4 lakhs. Then this one is what? 5 lakhs. Then this one is what? 9 lakhs. Yes. Now, condition satisfied or not? 5 lakhs is more post than 9 lakhs and less post than 4 lakhs. Yes. Next, leave it. Now, friends, check here. Next point is what? The one who is earning 9 lakhs does not have the 4 years experience. 9 lakhs is earning 9 lakhs. Does not having the 4 years experience means this one is what? This one is what? Here 5 years experience. This one is what? 5 years experience. This one is 5 means this one is compulsory 4 years experience. Yes. Between 4 and 5 years experience, here we are having the 3 posts. The one who is earning 9 lakhs does not having the 4 years experience. He is having the 5 years experience. Yes. Now, friends, check here. Next point is what? Between 3 years and 8 years, between here we are having the 2 posts. 8 years. 1, 2. This one is what? Here 3 years. Yes. This is the given entire arrangement. Yes. So, friends, this is the given arrangement they given in 2019 SBI clerical mains. Friends, here I didn't discuss here questions. Friends, here questions are not required. Once if you are able to solve the arrangement means now questions are easy. Here we are having the designations. Yes. Here we are having the years, that means experience. At the same time, here we are having the salaries. Friends, 8% this model is very important. Why means they given 2020 SBI clerical prelims also they given these models.